We welcome to you Hussein Champion Challenge Garage. We have proper office for keeping records and providing to you good services. We have professional team members. In meeting we discuss about our customers to providing them best facility and good service. We are free serving, Wi-Fi, coffee, cold drinks and many more. Professionally, we discuss and provide solution to the customer. We are providing service more than 13 years in UAE. We can provide you with all vehicle service, including engine repair, car maintenance services, air conditioning and heating, cooling system, computerized engine diagnosis, denting and painting, remittance of classic cars. We are providing facilities to the companies on monthly basis contract. Freely contact with us, 0556958947 or 0454733176.